Alright guys, so as you can see, it needed to be replaced. This is the used one, this is the new one. Big difference, right? Alright, so let's put this guy in, guys. Let's go. Okay guys, so the cabin air filter is underneath this guy here. Should be able, I think it's clipped. Yep, there we go. Alright guys, so I needed to show you where the cabin air filter is. You see this tab here? That is it. That's for 20. This is a 2018. I think it goes all the way till 2020. So you should be able to pop this guy off. See, just like that. As you can see, it's a hella dirty. There's a lot of leaves over here. All right, let's see if we can try to pop it out, guys. Okay, so all right guys. Oh wow, okay, I got it, guys. Oh my goodness. There you go, guys. As you can see, definitely needed to be replaced. So here it is. Let me show you the difference between the used one and the old one. All right guys, so as you can see, it needed to be replaced. This is the used one, this is the new one. Big difference, right? All right, so let's put this guy in, guys. Let's go. All right guys, we gotta try to put this guy at an angle. There you go. I think that's where it's supposed to go. I think it's going in. It's not easy to get it to sit properly, guys, because I can't see anything. Okay, I think I got it in, guys. Yeah, it took a little finesse to get it in, but I got it in. And now this guy, there's no screw holding it. There should have been one, but we should be able to just clip this back in fairly easy because there was no screw holding it. All right guys, that it is done, and it's done. You can see, guys, here it is again. So I use this guy here, and you gotta pull the air filter. You grab it like that, and then you pull it down and up. Okay, all right. Last thing we gotta put in is this cover. You probably don't really need to take this cover out, guys. I just realized that because everything goes behind it, so you probably don't need to take this cover out, even though I took it out. Okay.